Antibiotics or ppm, plant preservative mixture contamination is the major challenge in the tissue culture lab. Thus, you need to have something that can fight those tiny organisms that we can't see invading our plants through our naked eyes. Though antibiotics are a traditional solution to the problem, culturists now prefer to use ppm in the media that provide their plants an all-round protection from all types of contamination, such as airborne, waterborne, or those coming from other sources.
Plant extracts. Some researchers use plant extracts such as coconut milk, tomato juice, and banana pulp can be added to the MS medium to provide additional nutrients and growth factors for plant tissue culture. They boost the growth of plants or help in reducing the time plant cells take to start dividing in vitro environments. pH indicators. Phenol red or bromothymol blue can be added to the MS medium to monitor changes in pH during plant tissue culture. However, they are rarely used.
Media preparation, preparation of stock. 1. Micronutrient stock, 100x. Take 400 milliliters double distilled water in a 1L beaker, then weigh the salts given in the table below and dissolve it in the water. Transfer the solution to the 1L volumetric flasks, and make up the volume to 1L. Pipette out 10 milliliters of the solution to make 1L MS media. 2. Iron stock, 20x. 1. Take 80 milliliters double distilled water in a 100 milliliters beaker, weigh the components given in the table and dissolve it completely, in the same order as given in the table. 2. Transfer the solution to a volumetric flask of 100 milliliters and make up to the final volume. 3. Pipette 5 milliliters of the stock solution for 1L of MS media. Three. Vitamin stock, 100x. 1. Take a 100 milliliters beaker and add 50 milliliters double distilled water in it. Weigh the vitamins given in the table below and dissolve it completely in the water. 2. Transfer the solution to a volumetric flask of 100 milliliters and make up to the final volume. 3. Pipette out 1 milliliter of the vitamin stock solution for 100 milliliters of MS media. 4. Add vitamins after the media is autoclaved to protect it from heat degradation. Vitamins can be sterilized by ultrafiltration technique. 3. Cytokinin stock, 100x. 1. Weigh 10 mg kinetin and dissolve it into a few drops of 1NaHCl. 2. Add a few ml of double distilled water to the above solution and transfer it to the 100 ml volumetric flask and make up to the volume. 3. Store the stock in the refrigerator. 4. Use 1 milliliter of the stock for 1L of the MS media. Steps of the preparation. Take 400 milliliters double distilled water in a 1L beaker. Weigh the macronutrients given in the table below, and dissolve them completely into the water. 1. From the prepared stock solutions, pipette out 5 milliliters iron, 10 milliliters micronutrient, and 1 milliliter kinetin to the 1L beaker of the media. 2. Weigh 100 milligrams myo-inositol and dissolve it in the previous mixture. 3. Weigh 10 milligrams IAA and dissolve it into a few drops of 1N-NaOH. Then, transfer the solution to the previous mixture. Note, the stock of IAA is not prepare. 1. Add 800 milliliters of double distilled water in the beaker and adjust the pH of the media to 5.7. 2. Transfer the prepared solution to a 1L volumetric flask and make up the final volume to 1L. 3. Keep the solution in the refrigerator. 1. Sterilize all the equipment and glass culture jars used for the tissue culture process. 2. Weigh 0.8 g of supreme grade agar and 3.0 g reagent grade sucrose and transfer them to 250 milliliters Erlenmeyer flask. 3. Add 100 milliliters of the stored MS media in the flask and seal the cap with aluminum foil. 4. Sterilize the flask with the media. 5. After sterilizing the media for 15 to 20 minutes, add 1 ml vitamin solution. 6. Swirl the flask for the dissolution of the vitamin, agar, and sucrose into the media. B. Before pouring it into the culture bottles, 7. Pour the media into culture jars and store them in the refrigerator for 1 hour, before the culturing process. Here is the handy chart of the MS media recipe for your experiments. Components concentration for all, 100x mg/L, except, for iron, 20x mg/100 ml, for vitamin, mg/100 ml macronutrients, NH4, NO3 1650, KNO3 1900, CaCl 2.2H 2440, MgSO 4.7 H2O 370, KH2PO4 170, 2. Micronutrients, MnSO 4.4 H2O 2230, ZnSO 4.4 H2O 860, H3BO3 620, Ki83, Na2Mu 4.2 H2O 25, QSO 4.5 H2O 2.5, COCl 2.6 H2O 2.5, 3. Iron, 20x, mg/100 ml, Na2 EDTA 672. FeSO 4.7 H2O 556, 4. Vitamins, 100x, mg/100 ml, glycine 20, nicotinic acid 5, pyridoxine.HCl 5, thiamine.HCl 5. Cytokinin mg/100 ml, kinetin 100, myoinositol 10, IAA 10, sucrose 10, agar 30,000.